Starting a YouTube channel is potentially one of the best decisions you can do in our time. But starting without proper preparation can be a recipe for disaster. So let me show you what you must do before you start a YouTube channel. My name is Innocent Biaruhanga and welcome to InnoJust. Let me quickly share with you 7 things which you must do before you start a YouTube channel. Number 1, determine your niche. Your niche is your target audience and the specific message you have for them. Your success on YouTube is highly determined by the uniqueness of your message and your target audience. One of the biggest mistakes you can do on YouTube is to target everyone or to try to talk about everything. A very specific niche helps you in many ways. It helps you to easily get subscribers who are interested in your content. It helps you to stand apart from your competition. It helps you to easily generate targeted content ideas. It makes it easier for the YouTube algorithm to understand your content and to recommend it to your target viewers. A specific niche increases your chances of monetization. This is because advertisers and sponsors are more likely to partner with you if you have a clear target audience. Number 2, research your niche or your competition. Whatever your message, most likely there is someone who is already sharing a similar or related message. And that's not a bad thing. You can study competitor channels to see what is working and what is not working. And thus you can learn from their mistakes as well as their achievements. This helps you to strategically position yourself alongside your competition. Number 3, plan your content strategy. A consistent content uploading strategy with chronologically related ideas will keep your audience engaged and anticipating fresh content. Number 4, acquire the necessary equipment. To create high quality content, you will need equipment. However, the equipment doesn't have to be so expensive. Just acquire what you can afford and don't let the lack of expensive equipment hinder you from starting your channel. Some of the equipment that you may need include a camera, a tripod, video lights, a microphone, and a computer. If you cannot afford a camera, you can use a smartphone. But the one point you cannot compromise is the quality of the audio. Number 5, editing software. You will need software to edit your videos. You can buy professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, or you can use free software like DaVinci Resolve. You may also need YouTube-specific apps for managing your channel and your videos, such as YouTube Studio, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy. Number 6, learn basic video editing. Unless you're going to hire an editor, you will need to edit your own videos before you upload them on YouTube. Video editing is fundamental to success on YouTube. And don't be intimidated. Basic editing is not difficult. Number 7, prepare for channel customization. Once you make your channel, you will need a profile picture, a banner, and channel description. So it is wise to prepare these beforehand. A good profile picture should be 800 pixels by 800 pixels. An ideal YouTube banner should be 2660 pixels by 1440 pixels. The aspect ratio is 16:9 and the supported files are JPG, GIF, BMP, and PNG. And the file size should not be more than 6 megabytes. Finally, write a compelling channel description and include a link to your website as well as your social media platforms. If you have gone through all the 7 steps, you are now ready to make your YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about how to succeed on YouTube, subscribe to the channel.